How to turn off repost on your Instagram reels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch the Instagram application on the device and make sure that you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply what you need to do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will lead you to your profile section. So simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and it will lead you to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and you can see the option of messages and story replies under how others can interact with you. Tap on it. Now you can see there are different options over here. So as you can see, there's no direct option over here to turn off repost. So we can just go back and tap on sharing and reuse. So as you do that, you will be able to see the option of repost on post and reels. So you just need to toggle off this option, and as you do that, you'll be able to turn off repost on your Instagram reels. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.